Hi, I'm Nancy and I'm joined by Samia and Aisha. Today we'll be addressing the current operational issues of the core management center of a major travel company and propose a new information system to address these issues. We concluded the main issues of the current system are a large products range which has increased complexity, a poor call flow rate due to inappropriately matched relationship managers and customers, resulting in poor customer service as relationship managers are not well informed on the products customers are interested in, and long waiting times leading to a loss of customers and consequently revenue. Therefore, the aim of the new system is to enhance the travel company's daily operations, workplace productivity, and financial position. To achieve this, we've created an automated information system which will streamline the operations and processes of the company's call management center by providing improved call routing and dynamic call flow control for inbound and outbound calls, and matching relationship managers and customers according to the skills and expertise of the relationship managers and the profiles of the customers. To create this system, we undertook a design thinking approach, applied Scrum, and evaluated the competitive advantages of the proposed system and the possible outcomes if the project fails. In the first stage of design thinking, we analyzed the key stakeholders to empathize with and identify the needs, wants, and environment. Using this information, we were able to identify the critical issues and set objectives for the project. In the next stage, we undertook ideation and developed how might we questions, which provided us with a better understanding of the scope of the project. This allowed us to develop our backlog and set priorities. Now we'll move on to Aisha, who will explore the application of Agile methodology in our project in more detail.
As we usually see in Agile methodology, customers are known to be the most important people used for developing potential features. During this project, we held the customer as the focal point for decision-making and empathizing with their needs. For this project, we initially brainstormed a product backlog with a list of features for the potential call management center system with the customer in mind. Over the weeks, we went through the process of backlog refinement to select the most appropriate features for the system. With the help of labeling in GitHub, we prioritize these features to be later used in our prototype diagrams. There are many benefits of using Agile development over the traditional waterfall method, such as more flexibility and simplicity. Agile is more rapid and facilitates iterative and incremental development, rather than the waterfall method, as that is more rigid. With Agile, we are able to go back and change requirements much more easily with the use of Scrum. Furthermore, the project board feature in GitHub mimics the boards commonly used in Agile methodology because of its simplicity and flexibility, which enabled us to control our tasks and collaborate more efficiently with each other. Additionally, the project board allowed us to gain a clear understanding of what work was to be done and to communicate to other team members about the status of a project. Lastly, another element of Agile methodology is the concept of self-managing teams. It was crucial for our team to be self-organizing and to be in constant communication to complete this project. This was done efficiently through the project board. Additionally, we captured our progress on the project with the use of issues. Here on the slide, you can see that we have multiple closed issues relating to our backlog and diagrams. Furthermore, we adopted Agile methodology once again to develop our work products. Some of our diagrams included the use case, activity, class, and collaborative diagrams, as well as the empathy maps, which focus on empathizing with the relationship manager, call center employees, and the customers. Moving on, how will the system actually run? Firstly, from the perspective of the inbound customer, the customer will call the CMC. If the relationship manager is available, then the call will be forwarded to them. If they are busy, then the call will get directed to an interactive voice response unit. Here, the customer is placed in a short queue until the IM is free again. After this, the relationship manager will forward the call to the most appropriate employee automatically with the help of the IVR unit and the profiler tool, which is smart enough to match employee skills to the potential customer. After the call gets forwarded to the employee can now handle queries or perform sales on holiday packages. Now moving on to Soumya to discuss the competitive advantages.
Competitive advantages. The design thinking and agile methodology ensures low chances of the system malfunctioning, though constant refinement of the system is required through evaluation and feedback of the system. This prototype will produce the most plausible solution for the company, delivering the best value. The proposed software system has many potential competitive advantages for the travel company. The first and foremost is that the daily operations of the workplace will be streamlined due to this system. This in turn will increase the chances of relationship managers and employees maximizing the sales of holiday packages. This will be possible by the increase in effective customer service due to the improved call routing and dynamic call flow control for inbound and outbound calls, helping employees serve end customers and potential customers. Customer service is also improved by the system matching relationship managers and end customers according to relationship managers' skills and customers' profiles, thereby finding employees who know the needs and requirements of the customers that they will be assisting. Customers will be served quickly and have shorter call waiting times, increasing customer satisfaction. Improving customer service will maximize sales of holiday packages, which will increase revenue for the company and help them gain reputation among other travel companies. Now for the possible effects of project failure. Despite the rigorous designing, prototyping, and testing, the information system may not work as intended, resulting in adverse effects for the business. There are numerous advantages that might be gained from developing the new information system. However, if the project fails, the travel company will be in a lot of trouble. There is a possibility of the system crashing or containing bugs and technical issues. There is also the possibility of the system malfunctioning and routing calls to the wrong employees and customers. If this happens, the company will have to revert to their old system of calling and receiving calls. This will have a negative impact on their company as it will reduce customer satisfaction, which will result in the loss of profit. During the period of time that the system is not functioning as intended, the result will be the loss of revenue, decreased customer satisfaction, and loss of reputation for the company. Thank you for listening to our presentation.